it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I'm using the leftover gray base that I have on my last one, or on my next one. I'm not sure how I'm going to be editing this video, but these are the TLP colors that I've chosen. This is Lagoon. Really pretty. It almost reminds me of Pebeo green blue, iridescent green blue latte, another favorite. This is Liquitex Basics in bright aqua green. Uh-oh, it's just chunk. There you go. It's out. It's out. This is Amsterdam Sky Blue Light. This is TLP in Lemon Sorbet. Lovely. I love that color too. TLP in Ore. One of my favorites. TLP in Caramel Drizzle. Actually, these are all my favorites. This is Amsterdam Phthalo Green, and I put a little bit of ultramarine. Oh, do I have a... Yeah, I do. Where are these coming from? Yeah, put a little bit of golden ultramarine blue in here too. So, let's move these off. Here's my 12 by 12 tile. I don't really have to anchor it down because it's really heavy. And I'm gonna figure out how to hang these. I have an idea about getting some concrete and making something on the back of it with a D-ring hook. So let's just get started with this. Putting down my base. Oh, my cell activators. This is the experiment of the day. I took Jasonia Turquoise Iridescent and I put it in the Amsterdam Black. This is Oxide Black, and I think I did a squirt of ultramarine in this as well. And I also put the Jasonia in the white. So it gives it like an iridescent shine. It doesn't show up as much on the white that it does on the black. Yeah, it's really hard to see. I don't even know if I can see it. I don't know. But on the black, I wish I'd mixed some more actually. It's really pretty. I don't know if it's going to make that much of a difference, but I thought I'd try it. Because I have to try something new almost every time. So let's just spread this out just a little bit. And we are going to start. I'm going to put, I'm just going to grab this like this. Try not to contaminate the colors. All right, we'll put the sky blue down. Next to that, I'm going to put a little bit more of the caramel drizzle. And then the latte. This is Lagoon. It's beautiful. And here is the phthalo green mix. I'm going to put a lot of this down because it's a transparent color. And here we go with the swipe. I'm going to take my GCFluidart Co. palette knife. I'm going to put the black down first and then some white, and then I'm going to swipe. Whew. That's a lot. And I'm putting it right back into the container. It's mixed with Aussie Floetrol. pretty. And then the white on top, I'm going to drizzle it. It's pretty thick. And here we go. Lovely. Oh, is it ever? Oh! That's cool. All right, let's give it a wipe. I'm gonna do a little bit more. Actually, I'm gonna take a smaller palette knife and do that. I'll put the white first. Switching it up. Pretty. And making a mess already. Nikki, you'd be proud of me. Oh my God, that's the first time it's ever turned out semi-decent. Holy cow. Let me try another one. I'm almost impressed with myself here. Wow, it even drags some of that up there. That's crazy. I've never been able to do that. I'm not going to go nuts on these because less is more and I don't want to mess it up. That's really pretty. All right, I'm going to play with the toothpick a little bit, and then I'm going to spin it. Try it. This probably will all come off anyways, but let's play. All right, these are all my favorite colors. Let's give it a spin. Are we ready? Ooh, pretty. I wanted something neutral because I had that gray background. Let me just tilt it just a little bit. No, I just told you it doesn't fall off. Oh my God. That would have been tragic. Well, you have to really not go too quick. Little baby spins, holy crap. Oh my God. Wow, look how much that opened up. I'm losing all my negative space. It's not exactly what I was thinking of. There's not enough baby blue in it, sky blue light. I'm not sure I like it. Not sure I don't like it. Just got finished telling you. Did I put any of the, I guess I did. I don't know if I put any of the crap. I might go again. Although that turned out really nice. Let me see, let me give it a minute here. There's my neighbor sneezing. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. Let me give it a minute. I'm gonna keep looking at it for a few, and then I'm gonna edit this out. The lines are really cool here and here. There's nothing I really don't like about it, but this is what happens when we start comparing. I did a test tile earlier, and I really liked the effects of the test tile, and I thought I could recreate it, but we all know that's impossible in FluidArt. So let me show you the test tile. That'd be it. Very, very pretty. But I didn't get that effect here. And I don't know. Should I go again? I have the paint to do it. I'll take a picture of this and send it to Nikki, and she can decide. Sugar. I think I'll keep it. I can always do another one. I can do another one. I can even do another one right now. Yeah. Yeah, I like the effects. That lemon sorbet up here looks totally different from this angle. It doesn't even look like lemon sorbet until you actually tilt it, and you can see. Yeah, I kind of like it. All right, I'm gonna clean up and take you down for a close-up. I'm gonna call this as a less is more, even though it is kind of busy. It's kind of busy, but if I start fiddling with it, I'll be busier. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it. I love that caramel drizzle. It's really cool. All right, see you in a few. All right, guys. So I didn't clean up because I'm going again. I'm gonna do another one. This is so cool. Look how bright that is. Ooh. That's the ore and the lemon sorbet right next to each other. And then that lemon sorbet just kind of, oh, like it, from this angle, that's what it looks like. Isn't that crazy? And then you go over it and it, Magic. Magic, I say. Very cool. So, this is okay. It wasn't exactly what I was looking for, but I like the neutral background, and I was able to get some, look at that, holy shoot. And it's even in, yeah. So that cell activator did give some sparkle too. I'm in awe with that. It goes like this, and then like this. Crazy, right? I love it. Yeah, that lemon sorbet, it's almost taking over the whole piece, but I kind of like it. Anyhow, so I'm going on to my next one.